Good afternoon, guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. And I just want to start off with an apology that I ain't done any videos for what seems like ages. It must be about 5-6 weeks since I've last uploaded a video. So yeah, I've just been so busy with work, busy with doing stuff at my house, doing a lot of gardening, cutting down of big trees and bushes and all sorts of stuff. So that has meant that a lot of the projects, a lot of the cars have kind of just been put on the back burner. But now the weather has been getting better, I'm finding a bit more time. So what I'm going to do in this video today is I just want to show you these boxes which are really cool. So here we go. So here we go, guys. So what we've got here is actually all the old boxes for the stereo system that is in my Mark III Cavalier. So Nicky, who built the car, he kept all these old boxes all these years, and they came with the car. I think I ain't got every single one. I ain't got the boxes that the subs came in, but I've got, well, I'll show you. So I've got the head unit there with the TV screen. So it's all Pioneer. Well, it's nearly all Pioneer. So it's an AVX 7000 7-inch flip-up display. You've then got the controller for the CD multi-changer. It's also the radio cassette, KEH P8800R. The only thing that's not with the car is the little steering wheel control. And I've checked in the box, it's not in the box. So I don't know if Nicky ever had that installed in the car or not. Maybe he opted against not having it installed for some reason. We've then got the only bit that's not Pioneer, which is the Stinger power cap. So that's the box for that. Then got, what's this one? Oh, this is the control master unit, where the remote control controls it all. So this is the thing that everything all plugs into. So you've got various things on here. This is a AVM P7000R. So that's what everything plugs into and gets controlled from. You've then got one of the amps, GMX 922. I think there's two of them. The other one is down in the bottom of this box. Yeah, same as that. You've then got this amp, which is a GMX 924. Don't know what the actual difference is in spec between them. I think it's the number of inputs. If you actually look, that's got 6. The other two have got 4. So yeah, that's the difference in them two amps. So there's 2 smaller ones and then 1 bigger one. Then in this box, I'm presuming this is the one that's in the dashboard of the car, which is a GM222. We've even got the PS2 box, the box that the PS2 came in. How cool's that? Then got the box that 6x9s came in, which are TS E6990, I think that is, under the thing, or maybe a 6. I think it's a 0. Then got the box that the full components came in. They are TS C132Os. Then got this box which had the multi-changer CD 6-disc, and that's a CDX P23S. There we go, and there's some random bit of trim there which strangely is from a VW of some description, because it's got a VW Audi symbol on it, so I don't know what that's from, but it's in there anyway. So a bit random. So there we go, guys. I just wanted to show you this because one, it makes a good little short video, but two, it's cool to see that all these years on, all this stuff is still with the car. As I said, the only thing I've not got is the boxes for the subwoofers. But yeah, everything else, all the boxes, all the instruction manuals and everything are in each box as well, which is obviously really useful when I come to try and get it all working fully again. So yeah, that's just about the whole system. There we go. So a lot of money's worth back in the day. Oh, hello butterfly, just flying away. So there you go, guys. A lot of money's worth back in the day, and this is the system that Jamie Shaw and team at Carisma put together for him. Built it all in the custom interior. So there we go. I just wanted to do a short little video for you. So stick around. I will be doing some more content soon. I am going to be doing some work on my Mark II Cav convertible. I have done some more little odds and sods on Owen, which is my daily driver Mark II Cavalier. I have been still trying to sort out the engine wiring loom on the Mark I Cavalier as well. So I have been doing little bits, it's just I've been too busy really to do videos. So stick around anyway guys, and please like, browse, subscribe to the channel. I do get a lot of people viewing my videos who aren't subscribed, so please do subscribe. It costs you nothing. All you have to do is press one little button and it helps me to grow the channel. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Laters.